We're going to show how to merge and center cells. So let's say that I'm going to click on row 1. I'm going to right click insert, and I'm going to click on A1 and type in names and ages. Hit enter. So let's say I want to center and merge names and ages across columns A, B, and C. How do we do that? So you click on that, you left click and you drag across to cover columns A, B, and C. You click merge and center, and that takes care of it for you. We could have also done it this way. We can highlight A1, B1, C1. We can right click format cells, click on, and then this will show up. And you click merge cells, and then you click OK. And you see that merged it, but it didn't center it. So let's go back. So the easier way to do it is just to highlight here, and then you can click here, merge and center. If you want to unmerge it, just click unmerge cells. But then you see it scoots back. So we'll merge and center.